Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to test for arithmetic sequence from a given formula. Okay, so from the first example over here, Tn equals 3. Okay, so what we're going to do, okay, we have to find a common difference. Okay, because in arithmetic sequence, it must have a common difference d, and this d must be a constant. Must be a constant. So let's find out from the given formula Tn over here. Okay, what is the formula for common difference? D equals Tn minus Tn minus 1, or Tn plus 1 minus Tn. You can choose which one that you want, whether this one or this one. However, in this example, I'm going to use this formula. Okay, next, we have Tn already over here, done. Okay, but we don't have Tn minus 1, and we are going to generate this from the given Tn. Okay, so over here, you have to look at inside Tn, the given Tn, we have to watch out for any n. Okay, in this case, there's no n. Okay, so Tn minus 1 is just the exact copy of the thing. Okay, if there's n, maybe next example I show you how. But in this example, no need to change anything. Tn and Tn minus 1 are just the same thing. Okay, next we just substitute. What Tn is 3 that we get over here. Tn minus 1 is also 3 from the one that we got over there. Now we subtract, we have 0. Now, is 0 a constant? Yes, it is. Okay, so we know it is a constant already, that since D is a constant, okay, therefore we can conclude it is a n. An arithmetic sequence. Done already. Okay, if so, we can continue with the first term and the common difference. But the common difference we got already over here, no need to do it one more time. So find the first term already from the given term. So we know Tn is 3. What is T1? Okay, just replace whatever n that you find here with 1, but there's none, so we just copy the 3 only. While D is just 0, copy paste from above. Okay, so settle for the first one. Let's go for the second one. Tn 5 minus 2n. Okay, so first put here lah, 5 minus 2n. Okay, now I'm going to find Tn minus 1. Tn minus 1. So n minus 1. Okay, so how we're going to do this? Easy. So 5 minus 2. The n, you change it into empty bracket. Okay, because over here from Tn, you see the n over here, right? Next to 2, right? So the next to 2 over here, we change into empty bracket. And then we are going to fill it with whatever you see over there inside the box, down there. Inside the box over there is n minus 1, right? So copy paste n minus 1 over here. Then you expand lah. So 5 minus 2n plus 2. So we have 7 minus 2n. Okay, so we have our Tn and Tn minus 1 already. Now, substitute inside our D. D is Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, so Tn is this. Okay, so 5 minus 2n. Okay, I write the sign first. Okay, maybe use different color lah. Purple lah. Purple. Okay, so Allah. Okay, so Tn minus 1 is this, 7 minus 2n. Okay, 7 minus 2n. Now, since there are two terms, 7 and minus 2n inside Tn minus 1, you have to be careful and put a bracket. Put bracket like that. And then you can expand the negative outside the bracket properly. So 5 minus 2n minus 7 plus 2n. Okay, so as you can see over there, the 2n and minus 2n cancel each other. Okay, so leave us with 5 minus 7, which is minus 2. Minus 2. Now, minus 2 is constant or not? Is a constant. It's a constant. Okay. So since D minus 2 is a constant, okay, therefore it is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, now we can find the first term. The first term is T1. T1 is what? Okay, T1 is 5 minus 2. Change the n into a bracket. Okay, originally it is like this, right? So when we want to change the n with 1, the n over here also we change into 1. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, and then common difference already copy paste lah. Copy paste minus 2. Done already with the second one. Okay, let's go for the next one. Tn equals 1 over n. Okay, so from this Tn 1 over n, okay, we come up with Tn minus 1. Okay, I told you guys already, when we change the n minus 1, if we change the n over here, we have to change the n into an empty bracket and fill it up with n minus 1. Okay, if you do Tn plus 1 also, it's just the same thing. So I just demo lah for you over here. Plus 1 over here, right? Okay, 1 over empty bracket. And then we are going to fill up with n plus 1. They share the same technique. Same technique. You do the same thing. Okay, now put them into the formula. Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, so I have Tn over here, 1 over n. Okay, 1 over n minus n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 is 1 over n minus 1. Okay, now how to minus two different fraction? You just cross multiply them. So we cross multiply this one, n minus 1. This one cross over there, minus n. Okay, over you multiply the denominator, n minus 1. Okay, now the n cancel. Oh, the n cancel. Okay, good. Minus 1 over n minus 1. Okay, now we get something like this. Okay, when you get your d in terms of n, so it means that the value of d depends on the value of n. Okay, in other words, if you change the value of n over here, the value of d will different. For example, will differ. For example, if n is 0, so d is 1 over, minus 1, 0 multiply 0 minus 1, okay, which is 1. When n equals 1, the d is minus 1, okay, substitute 1 minus 1, 0, undefined. Because 1 over 0 is undefined with the calculator lah. Okay, so, but my point is, when different n will give different d. So we don't want this. Okay, because in arithmetic sequence, okay, the common difference must be a constant. So is not a constant. Therefore, you can conclude, since d is not a constant, therefore it is not an arithmetic sequence. So I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.